Time to finish this model with the last step, the basing. Of course, the base is painted black. Always start with that. Then we are going to grab some sand effect, brown earth. It is some kind of a paste that dries looking like sand. I guess you can call it a texturized paint. Put it all over the base with some kind of tool if you have one. Otherwise a crappy paintbrush will do the trick. Remove any paste if there are any outside the base. Now I'm going to use some pigments, and while this paste is still wet, apply them. Pigments like this is also very good to use as if you want stains of mud on the apron here. You can just add them if you want. I won't do it now. A bit more of the red. Remove as much as you can of the pigments outside the base. Take your pad brush, grab some clean water and apply it on top of the pigments. We try not to mix them together too much. Like that. And if you lose the coloring or applied a bit too much water, you can just add them back in. Right here. Like that. And now you let this dry for a while. The pigment and the sand paste stuff is dry, so let's apply a brown wash to it. We grab this dark brown Agrax earthshade wash. Apply it where there are no pigments. Like that. And now I think we are going to need some here too. I think it's hard to see. There you can see it's darker. And I also see that I need to remove some of the pooling here. Get a black color, in this case Thamar black, and restore the base, or restore the edge of the base. Let it dry, and then it's time for the varnish. Now the wash is dry on the base, and everything else is dry on the base too. Or the wash is almost dry. Couldn't wait, but it doesn't matter because it will dry with the varnish anyway. First with the gloss varnish. And when applying it with an airbrush, it dries really fast, so we can apply the matte varnish right away. I do it this way because the gloss varnish is more resistant to chipping than matte. So if you have gloss underneath the matte, you still get a matte finish, but with the gloss varnish protection. When applying the matte varnish, don't apply too much because you get a very matte finish and it doesn't look quite as nice as you would like. So you can go crazy with the gloss varnish, doesn't really matter. But with the matte varnish, make sure to not apply too much. It's time to grab some grass and glue to the base. I want a darker grass and a bit brighter grass. We want some grass here and here and the last one here. think 3 tufts was a bit too much. Let's remove it, so I won't have one there. And there we go. Shank is done. Thanks for watching. See you next time.